Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, November 25th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday today. So far, it's been going pretty great for me. I actually had a pretty good week this week. Eating wise, I was able to stick to my plan of not having any nuts or seeds. I did have my maintenance level fat calories, which has gone really well. And so I was kind of wondering how things were going to work out this week with Thanksgiving. I did have quite a few keto treats on Thanksgiving, and actually the keto pie that I purchased from one of the local bakeries here, it actually made me kind of sick. I don't know if they used maltitol as a sweetener, but it was not very friendly to my system, which is too bad. I was able to let them know that I wasn't happy with the pie, and they are giving me free keto cakes next week, which is really kind of them. So yeah, that was kind of a disappointment, but everything else on Thanksgiving was really delicious. I hope that you guys had a great Thanksgiving, that you were able to stay keto if that was your plan, or that you were able to get right back on plan if you had made a planned diet break. So I hope everything went well and the holidays are going well for you guys. This is my week for putting on water weight. I often gain 5 or 6 pounds this week during my cycle, so that's what I was kind of prepared for. So let's just get to the weigh-in and see how it went. Well, as you can see, I weighed in today at 189.4, which is actually only a 2-pound gain for this week, which is kind of surprising, and it makes me really happy because normally, like I said, I'll put on 5 or 6 pounds of water weight during this week. That coupled with Thanksgiving foods and having that pie that didn't sit well, I am actually really, really surprised that my weight is not higher. I am thrilled that it's still in the 180s on my water weight gain week. That is spectacular, since you know I'm trying to maintain in the 190s. Being in the 180s is better than I expected. So that is amazing, and that is awesome. My plans for this month, I am just going to keep on doing what I'm doing. I'm planning on eating a lot more fat than I normally do, keeping my calories a little high, kind of taking a break from the weight loss macros until January 1st, where I will hit it hard again on the weight loss bandwagon, and I hope that you guys will be ready to head on that wagon with me on January 1st. I do not intend to eat any extra carbohydrates ever. I am just eating more fats, and that's kind of fun. It makes it feel like a special time when I can just eat a little bit extra fat and not feel like I have to stick to my macros or track and things like that as much. So that's my plan, and that's what I'm sticking to it. I still hope that somehow I won't maintain, that I will continue to lose a little bit. I don't intend to lose a huge amount, but I'm hoping that I'm still eating at sort of a deficit, that I will be able to lose a little bit as the next 6 weeks progress before the end of the year. Looking forward to Christmas. I'm having fun putting my lists together for my kids, and this is one of my favorite times of year. I do not like how cold it is. Last night I froze myself to the bone waiting for Santa Claus outside for over an hour in the freezing cold, being snowed on. So that part isn't my favorite, but I love this time of year. I love buying presents for my kids. I think about it really hard, and I'm very careful about what I purchase. I try and make sure that the gifts that I give them have a lot of benefit and that they aren't just junk, and I don't buy a lot of gifts. Each kid only gets 3 things each. Something you need, something to read, and something you want. So those are the 3 things that I do on Christmas. Other than they buy each other one present, like they draw names, and also grandma usually gives them something, so things like that. So I hope all of you guys have plans on what you are going to do for your weight loss journey during this next 6 weeks, whether you're going to try and hit it hard every day but Christmas, or whether or not you're going to take a bit of a diet break, preferably staying in ketosis so that you don't have to deal with a lot of gain during the month. That's the thing. It's the beauty of this, is that I can eat a higher calorie and still maybe lose weight, but definitely maintain weight during the holidays, instead of packing on an extra 20 pounds that I got to take back off at the beginning of the year, which is really nice. I hope the rest of you guys can join me in doing that as well, and that we'll all make it through this holiday season unscathed, and that we'll all have a great Christmas, and that we'll all have a wonderful time together. Thanks for all of your ideas and support on my channel moving forward for 2019. I am really excited about all of the new possibilities that are out there, and I'm thinking about it a lot. I definitely want this channel to grow and to keep on keeping on. I love teaching you, and I love that teaching you keeps me accountable, and so that is like the benefit of keeping this channel alive and not letting it die. I definitely don't want to let it die. I love all of you guys, and I don't ever want to let you down, and I don't ever want to abandon you. And so that is my plan for now, 2019. Just going to try and shake things up a bit, maybe change the dynamics of how things are put out, or I'm not exactly sure, but the weigh-ins will continue. That is for sure, so you can count on that. And I'll see you guys every Sunday. I'm still planning on the live chat for Tuesday, so I will see you guys then. And until then, thank you for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.